Let me convert your website traffic to high-paying customers for your business while you sit back and watch your bank account grow. See, turning your website traffic into hot leads and happy paying customers is what I do best. I've helped over 150 clients across 30 industries achieve their sales goals using the power of captivating copywriting. Coaching, real estate, e-commerce, fintech, software as a service niches all responded tremendously to the magnetism of my top-level copywriting. And a 50% increase in revenue and lead retention is a very common result for the businesses leveraging the power of captivating copywriting that I've been delivering for 5 years plus. Here's what some of my customers have to say about my services.
I'm the owner of a print-on-demand e-commerce store. When I first set up my store, I barely had any traffic and a really bad conversion rate. People didn't really buy my products and my business wasn't taking off the way I wanted it to, and I wasn't sure why. I didn't know what to do. I wanted to give up on this business when I came across Vlad's copywriting service online. Vlad helped me turn my store completely around. He explained to me how persuasive copywriting could drive more traffic into my store and convert visitors into clients. I hired him, and within 7 days, he provided me with new Facebook ad copy. He refreshed my entire website content and updated all of my product descriptions. The results came as soon as we launched the new version of my store with Vlad's writing. I started seeing 10 times more traffic in my analytics, and most of the traffic was converted into sales from all over the world. Vlad helped me solve the biggest problem that every entrepreneur has, a lack of customers. He went above and beyond to research my target audience and write copy that was highly converting. I didn't really expect such a big change in our success, but it was like night and day. I knew copywriting could help, but I didn't know it would be so effective, so that was a really nice surprise. I highly recommend Vlad to all business owners that have digital businesses that are struggling to make sales. So if you sell products or services online, you need to let Vlad write your copy. He is not only experienced, but also very communicative and helpful, and he took his time to personally understand my business and how it reflected in the work.
After millions of dollars generated from my clients, I can safely say that I have uncovered the ultimate blueprint that turns your website visitors into loyal, recurring customers. That's what every business wants, right? So this exact framework helped celebrity coach Christina Bayer make over $500,000 in sales from her high-ticket coaching program. See, when she reached out to me, Christina had developed a high-ticket coaching course worth over $50,000 from the ground up. And she was looking to sell it to high-income artists and celebrities all around the world. Christina had launched her website, but let's be honest, websites never close sales alone. Captivating copywriting that can tell a story and touch the reader's heart is what truly closes deals. I took on a personal challenge to get Christina more qualified leads than her whole calendar could handle. A simple yet effective sales page that I wrote for her brought in enough coaching clients to fill her schedule for the rest of the year. Another client, IntelliStocks, an investment company from the United Arab Emirates. They reached out to me when they were having trouble selling their investment services. See, they had built a great customer base locally, but gaining access to wealthy international investors was a whole new playing field for them. I took them on and wrote a simple sales letter for their landing page to increase their global credibility. The result? IntelliStocks has been landing clients in over 19 countries in the past months as a direct result of the copy that I wrote for them. But their success didn't stop there. They also filled their marketing pipeline with several leads that were eager to start investing more than $200,000 with IntelliStocks. What about you and your business? If you're reading this, the chances are that you already have a website or business that is not performing as well as you know it should. Or maybe you are a smart entrepreneur who knows that copywriting can be a tedious task that yields the best results when left to the pros. Either way, I know that you're looking for a solution that will save your business from becoming part of the 95% of startups that fail within the first 2 years. Because let's be honest, right now, that's where you're heading if your website is not converting, your product is not selling, and your business is not generating enough cash flow. See, chances are you've tried writing your own copy before. And while I commend your efforts, I want you to be honest with yourself about the results you've obtained using that piece of copy. Not great, right? Don't worry. It's not your fault, and I mean it, right? You're already an extremely busy entrepreneur, and you're doing what you do best, which is running your business. So it's not your fault that your visitors lose interest and exit your page, leaving you with nothing but a huge advertising bill to pay. But it is your fault if you do nothing about it. So let me ask you, if there was a solution that would fix your conversion problems, would you implement it? Just for a second, can you imagine if you never had to worry about your business making you money ever again? How would it feel if you went to sleep fully relaxed, knowing that you will wake up to yet another 4, 5, or even 6-figure deposit in your bank? Well, I want you to wake up because I am here to make that a reality for you. To make sure you never worry about leads, sales, or customers ever again, I will write captivating copy that will turn your website traffic into consistent cash flow. Look, I get it. That is a bold claim to make. You might have worked with marketing wizards who promised fairy tales that just turned out to be nightmares, and they left you empty-handed with additional expenses when their strategy flopped. I get it. That's why I want to show you some of the results that I've generated for my clients in the past. In fact, I better let them show you themselves.
I got recommended through a friend, Vlad's copywriting business. He, was told that he was not only had worked with huge brands and huge companies, but also was a great marketer himself. I run a music mentorship and marketing company, and I wanted to run a funnel for it. I wanted to run a new campaign for it to increase your passive income. I was thinking, who should I hire? How should I get this done? I wanted someone that had experience. So I hired him and the results were incredible. Our biggest problem starting was that we literally started with 0 leads. We started from the ground zero. And through Vlad's copywriting and the launch that we did, we were able to generate over 1,500 leads into our email list that we could later retarget to sell our products and to keep launching future campaigns. Vlad ended up running 3 Facebook ad scripts, 2 landing pages, and an upsell page. He was able to take care of all of our copywriting for our product and for our launch, and we were really happy with his work. Vlad went above and beyond to make sure that we were happy with his services and with the copywriting. His prices were not cheap. However, when you don't really pay him, for me, I saw it more as like an investment in the company, because actually, thanks to Vlad's copywriting, we generated a lot more than the amount we invested in him. I would definitely recommend Vlad to businesses that are like us, that started with 0 leads and really need to start. Through Vlad's copywriting and through Vlad's writing in your landing pages, in your Facebook ad scripts, or whatever you need him, he's going to be able to write your product in a way where your client feels like they're getting the most value from you. So if you're a business that's either struggling to get leads, Vlad is your go-to lead generator guy through his copywriting. I would not recommend anyone else. He's also such a nice guy, and the best thing about him is that he always makes sure that the client is happy with his services.
Before we go any further, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Vlad, and I'm a seasoned marketer and copywriter with over 5 years of experience. In 2021, I decided to quit my ad agency job in Chicago and dedicate myself to helping the smaller players keep their business afloat during hard economical times. Using the power of copywriting, I have empowered all kinds of entrepreneurs to lift their businesses off the ground, reach their dream revenue goals, and sometimes even save their company from going straight up bankrupt. And since then, I've had the opportunity to also help brands like Moen, Ancestral Supplements, Cano Health, National Association of Realtors, Orbitz Travel, and even Chicago Hispanic Heritage Month. And just like I did for all of those national brands, I will personally write strong sales copy for you that will resonate with your defined target audience and guide them through the sales process. Entice visitors to opt in, sign up, or purchase your product or service, no matter how expensive it is. Make the number in your bank account grow every day as you watch your business thrive. Listen, there is no catch. However, I'm going to be very honest with you. Many clients don't qualify to work with me. And there are a few reasons why. Either they're looking for cheap work that will get them results overnight, or they lack the necessary budget to work with me, or maybe they think they can write their own sales copy and won't trust my expertise. Some simply don't have a valuable business or product that I feel comfortable selling. Those people are the same entrepreneurs that will blame everyone else for their failures, but they won't recognize that their website copy sucks and is not converting traffic into buyers. They are not copywriters, and that they could solve their headaches by hiring a trusted and experienced copywriter like myself. This is the truth. Top level copy is not cheap. However, it's an investment with great return on investment and not an expense. I won't promise you overnight success. I am not in the business of negotiating my fees. And if you're looking for someone like that, I suggest you find someone else to help you. See, I don't lose time or sleep over entrepreneurs that are way too selfish to realize that delegating their weaknesses is the key to growing their business. Look, I get it. My copywriting service fees may be high, but the cost of running an unprofitable, debt-ridden business is even higher. In fact, it's huge. Think about it for a second. It is not only the time and money that you invest in it, it is also the stacks of money that you are leaving on the table when you fail to capitalize on the great service or product that you are selling. It's also the money that you are willingly handing over to your competitors. See, I won't let that happen to your business, so why would you? Bottom line is, are you looking to skyrocket your sales and get out of this rut? Let me write persuasive sales copy that is so attractive your website visitors will have no choice but to take out their credit card and buy your product or sign up for your service. Even if you're selling it for $2,000, $10,000, or $100,000. But see, I want to make this a no-brainer decision for you. An offer you cannot refuse. And that's why I've built in an insane quality insurance clause that obligates me to provide you with the best darn copy. Let me tell you about it. With each order that you place, you get 2 free revisions so that the copy is written to the highest standards. If my sales copy is not what you expected, I will send you your money back. It's that simple. And if for some reason I deliver your work late, you get your money back plus 10%. And that's right, I'll pay you out of my own pocket if I'm even 1 minute late. So are you tired of watching other people build successful businesses? Are you ready to transform your website into a lead generating machine? Are you eager to finally turn your digital business into a profitable source of income? Then you have to schedule a free synergy call with me below and I will get you winning. I will never pressure you into buying anything. This is not how this works. It's always going to be entirely up to you whether you will enrich your business with this high value investment. However, it would be very unfair if I didn't tell you that I only take a handful of clients every single month. Why? Because this allows me to spend enough time on your project and write the very best copy that converts instead of spreading myself thin. That's why I recommend you book a call with me ASAP. It is free. Please don't tell my finance team. It is not a commitment and it automatically reserves a spot in my calendar only for you. So what are you really waiting for? Do you have any other solution to your conversion problems? Book your free discovery call today and I will see you on the winning side. Your business will thank you.